I've created the perfect GPT to assist you in creating DAX, formulas, and other Power BI questions that you might have. In this video, I will go through how it will at least 10x your productivity within your work in Power BI, and you have the link in the video description to the GPT. So what I've done is that I've added instructions and provided it a knowledge base in order to create the most perfect answers for your Power BI questions, especially when it comes to writing DAX formulas. Let's have a look on one example. Here we have Power BI, and we have, for example, the columns product, quantity, and month name. And in this example, I want to create a DAX formula that sums the quantity for the month name April, and this will take just 2 seconds to accomplish. And then we can add the formula into a new measure and use that measure in our visualization. Let's head over to ChatGPT, and here is our DAX expert. You find the link to this GPT in the video description, and all you need to do is to write the prompt and tell it what you want help with. In this example, it's a very simple prompt. I want to create a measure that sums the April units sold. The table is named sales, and the columns are named quantity, month name, and product. We press enter and the magic begins. It gives us a little bit of explanation what it needs to do in order to accomplish the task. Then here's the measure code, and we can easily copy the code and paste it into a measure. Let's do that. We copy the code, go back to Power BI, and here in the tables tool we can create a new measure, and we just paste the code from ChatGPT, and here you can see that it created a measure called April sales, and if we press enter, there will be no errors, and we have our new measure here in the data set called April sales, which will sum the sales in the quantity column for the month name April. And to thank me for providing this awesome GPT to at least 10x your productivity, leave a like or a comment to say thank you.